Creating consistent character to create a video has become super easy. You can create consistent character over a couple of scenes, the same images portraying in different scenes through Gemini AI using the Nano Banana. Let me show you exactly how you can achieve this. Head over to your Gemini app. I simply pasted my prompt and here is my first result. Look at this beautiful image. Look at how clean it is. Beautiful. So I'm going to regenerate this image in another scene. Just watch the magic that is going to happen now. And here is the result. This is the same character from the first image in a coffee shop. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how clean. It's of good quality as well, and you can generate this image. You can turn this image into a video like I did in the first scene. So I'm going to regenerate this image to be seated in a business class plane, sipping wine, a glass of wine, and here is the result as well. Look at it, so beautiful, so beautiful. This is what consistent character is supposed to look like. So I am going to regenerate this image again to be in another scene. Let's see how this goes. So I got this error message because I had been generating back to back. So let's just give it a second and try it again. Still the same error message. So this is what I did. I edited the prompt and resent it all over again. So this is me changing our outfit to a dinner appropriate outfit. And here is the result it gave me. So beautiful. Look at it. Consistent character. This is what we are talking about. You can use this image to create video. So let's regenerate it of her sitting in a 5-star restaurant. So here is the result. Look at how beautiful it is. This is so beautiful. Consistent character. That is what we are talking about. Okay, so let's create something else. Let's create a male figure of consistent character. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, this is the first image. Look at it. It's so clean. It's of good quality. That is what I love about it. It's of good quality. You can always enhance the image, increase the brightness, make it more sharper and all of that good stuff. So let's regenerate this image to be in an airport environment. Let's see how it goes. And this is the result. So beautiful, so accurate. Look at the details, exactly like the previous image. So let's regenerate the same character in a different environment and a different outfit. Yeah. Let's see. So it gave me that error message, so I had to re-edit it and resend it. And here is the new outfit. Wow, this is amazing. This is super amazing. Look at it. This is what we call consistent character. Imagine creating a video out of this character, you would get a very good result. Okay, so let's turn this image, let's regenerate it into something else. Let's turn it to wear a two-piece suit seated in a 5-star restaurant. Amazing. Let's see the results. Let's see the result. Okay, it still gave me that error message, so I had to re-edit it and resend. Let's see the results. Okay, this is beautiful. This is sharp. A little bit different from the previous character, but it's still giving the same features. So let's do something a little bit different. Now this is the couple prompt. I just pasted in my prompt, and this is the result it gave me. The man and the woman. Right. Nice. So let's change the scene. Let's change the scene and let's see both of them in a business class plane. Okay, this is the result. Amazing. This is amazing. This is what you call consistent character. Have this in a video and your video would be sleek and smooth. So let's change the scene. Let's see if we can keep up with this consistent character, right? So let's put both of them in a five-star restaurant. Let's see. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. I love this. This is consistency. Wow. Okay, let's put them in another scene, a park. Let's have them in a park. Let's see if he can give us that same consistent character. Okay, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is amazing. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. Gemini AI Nano Banana has done it again. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment what you think about the consistency of the character, and share this video to your friends and family, and I will see you in my next.